सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार।
नमस्कारः सर।
स्वागतं पुनरेकवारं सप्ताहस्य अन्तिमः वर्गः अयं। तो वर्गसङ्ख्यां श्रीनिवासः वदति।
सप्तत्युत्तरशततमः वर्गः अद्यतने।
So today is, friends, 170th class of our Panchatantra, wherein we have completed six stories out of the 14. एतावता षट् कथाः अस्माभिः पठिताः, सप्तमी कथा पठ्यमाना वर्तते, and the Saptami will get over in no time and we'll go to the Ashtami katha also today. You know the background where we stopped. The main characters in Aparikshita Karaka are Suvarna Siddhi, one friend, and the Chakradhara. Chakradhara does not want to leave Suvarna Siddhi because he is been stuck now. He has been over greedy. Being over greedy, he has been down under the spell of the chakra. Chakra is rotating over his head. He can't move, and he has no idea how many years, hundreds or thousands years he has to be there without food, and he will not have anything. He will not die. He will not feel hunger. He will not feel thirst. Only pain will be there. So he doesn't want to leave his friend Suvarna Nidhi. So he goes on talking to him and narrating him some story. So here we are in the story where the Rakshasa, Kaulika. In the story, one weaver who wanted to, who was very tired of, vexed of his business and then wanted to have some instruments made from wood. He went to the jungle, and then when he was about to cut the tree, there was a goblin or a Vyantara, a ghost situated on the tree. And the ghost said that you don't cut this tree, I will give you one vara. This is a comfortable place. So he said that. And the fellow, Kaulika, is so innocent that he says, okay, you have promised me a vara, I will take the vara, but let me go back to my home and consult my wife. And friend and wife, he consults the friend advises him in a different way. We have seen in the last class that he wants the kingdom from the Pishacha, and then he wants to be the minister. He is very selfish. He goes to his wife gives him some idea, and that idea lands him in trouble. That is what. So here we are on page 675, you're right. So api tadakarnya. So this Kaulika, listening to wife's words, sadhu pativrate sadhu yuktam uktam bhavatya. What you said is correct, my devoted wife, pativrata, tadevam karishyami. So I shall do so. Yeshame nichaya. So he decided upon asking for 2 more hands and 1 more head. And with the foolish calculation of his wife, he could weave 1 more cloth more every day and make a better living. Yes.
ततः असौ गत्वा व्यन्तरं प्रार्थयान् चक्रे, भो यदि ममेप्सितं प्रयच्छसि तद् देहि मे द्वितीयं बाहुयुगलं शिरश्च.
So as per the advice of the wife, tatah then asau kaulikah gatva vyantaram prati gatva prarthayam chakre prarthayamasa. He asked, requested, Bhoho, yadi mama ipsitam prayachasi, if you give me what I desire, ipsitam vanchitam, tad then dehi me dvitiyam bahuyugalam, give me dvitiyam, second pair of my arms, shirascha, shirahacha, and also 1 head, 2 hands, and 1 head you give me if you want to give. Yes.
Yeah. एवम् अभीते तत् क्षणात् एव स द्विशिराश्चतुर्बाहुश्च सञ्जातः ततः हृष्टमना यावत् गृहमा
That is Yavad only. Halanta should be there. Yeah.
या यावत्
Yavad.
गृहमागच्छति तावल्लोकैः राक्षसोऽयम् इति मन्यमानैः लगुडपाषाणप्रहारैः ताडितः मृतश्च.
See, this is called a Parikshita Karaka. Listening to the what friend said was also correct in a way. The Napita, the barber said, you ask for a kingdom. And then the wife counseled him, no, kingdom is full of problems. No king was happy. Rama was not happy. Ravana was not happy. Then Vishnu's Yadavas were not happy. Saudasa was not happy. All these people she quoted. And she foolishly asked for a vara, which finally brought his destruction. Evam abhihite. When the Kaulika said, Dehi me dvitiyam bahu yugalam shirascha ekam shirascha. Shiraha is Napunsakalinga, Shiraha. That is why it is Shiraha. Shiraha, Shirasi, Shiramsi. Dvitiya also Shiraha. Mastakamiti. Evam abhite ukte, when he said this, tat kshanat eva, that very moment, sa, then that yantara, that goblin or that pishacha, sa kaulikaha, that very moment, that kaulika, dvishiraha, dvishiraha chaturbahuhu, two-headed, four-armed fellow he became. Dvishiras chaturbahucha sanjataha abhavat tataha, then Khrustamana, he became very happy, foolish fellow. He thought he would be worshipped like God. Yavad gruhama agachati, when he comes being very happy, becoming happy, tavat then lokaihi rakshasaha ayamiti, something very odd, na? Now he became an odd man out. Srinivas. Like we say, odd man out.
Yeah.
So he became odd man out here. So when he reached home, Rakshasaha ayamiti manyamanihi. So the people started thinking that there is a demon here. 2 heads and 4 hands. Oh, no. This is not human being. Rakshasaha iti ayamiti manyamanihi laguda pashana prahari. They started picking up laguda sticks, pashana stones. They started beating with stones and sticks. Praharaihi taditaha, being beaten. Mrutascha, that fellow was dead. Now, this is what happens when advice from wrong people is taken. That is what the story.
अतोहं ब्रवीमि यस्य नास्ति स्वयं प्रज्ञा इति चक्रधराः भोः सत्यमेतत् सर्वोऽपि जनोश्रद्धे.
There is a mistake, Srinivas, here. Jano ashraddheyam shapit, I'm sorry, ashraddheya pishachikam. Pishachikam. There are two readings. Jano ashraddheya pishachikam prapya is one reading. Okay. Ashraddheya pishachika grastaha. Oh. That is another reading. So you can.
Janaha ashraddheya pishachika grastaha hasya padavim yati athava sadhu idam uchyate kenapi.
But this is not hasya padavim. He lost his life here. Atoham ravim. Then he says yasya nasti swayam pragna, one who has no buddhi of his own, who does not listen to his friends. This is what happens. Chakradhara said, Bho satyam etad. Yes, it is true. Sarvopi janaha shraddheyam asha pishachika grastaha. Ashraddheyam asha pishachika grastaha. Every man who is seized by the pishachi called ashraddheya, unbelievable, unreliable. A pishachi in the goblin in the form of ashraddheya, unbelievability, or deception, false desires. Whoever is grasta, pishachi grasta bhavati, hasya padam mrutyum yati, I should say mrutyum yati. Na kevalam hasya padam yati, not only becomes laughed at, but he will die as the Kaulika died in the story. Athava sadhu idam uchyate kena. Somebody rightly said it.
अनागतवर्तीं चिन्ताम् असम्भाव्यां करोति यः स एव पाण्डुरश्येते सोम शर्म पिता यथा सुवर्ण सिद्धिराः कथमेतत् सः अब्रवीत्.
So somebody rightly said, Anagatavatim chintam asambhavyam karoti yaha. Yaha purushaha chintam karoti. Kidrushim chintam asambhavyam. Impossible. One that which is impossible to happen. Asambhavyam, unlikely to happen. Anagatavatim, and also it is adjective. Anagatavatim means which has not come yet. Which has not come yet. Futuristic. One who unnecessarily chintam karoti, worries himself about an impossible and impending thing. Thing has not come yet. And it is also very chinta, the asambhavyam. It may not be possible also. See, there are people who imagine things and get worried and tension. Saeva, such a person, Panduraha Seti, he only lies being Panduraha, means being turned white. Soma Sharma Pitayata. So some incident which is taking place in the short story coming up, that how a certain father of Soma Sharma becomes Pandura, becomes whitened, pale in the story. So Vanasiddhi said, Kathametat. Again, he doesn't want to leave you. I just pointed out, na? Chakradhara is not leaving his friend. At least that company he wants. So he said this. So Yam Katha, Ashtami Katha idane. Eighth story.
Yeah. भावि सोम शर्म पितृकथा अथवा स्वभाव कृपण नाम ब्राह्मण कथा. कस्मिंश्चित् नगरे कश्चित् स्वभाव कृपणः नाम ब्राह्मणः प्रतिवसति स्म. तेन भिक्षार्जितैः सक्तुभिः भक्तशेषैः कलशः सम्पूरितः.
Bhuktaseshai.
Sorry, भुक्तशेष.
So the story goes here. Bhavi Soma Sharma Pitrukata or Swabhava Krupana. Names, look at the name. Swabhava Krupana Nama Brahmana. A Brahmana by name, Swabhava Krupana, who is miser by nature. Kasminchin Nagar, in some city, Kaschit Swabhava Krupana Nama Brahmana. First time we are coming across a name like this, given to a Brahmana character. Swabhava Krupana Nama Brahmana Prativasati Sma. Tena Bhiksha Arjitaihi. So Brahmana means in those days Bhikshatana. He earned Saktubihi, lot of barley things. Saktu. Saktu is actually rice or corn fried and ground. Saktu is something, rice or any corn fried and then dried on the ground. So that he begged that Viksharjita is Saktubihi. Bhukta Sesha, then he ate the Saktu, barley like thing, and then whatever Sesha remaining, Kalashaha Sampuritaha, he filled it in a Kalasha, in a what you call a pot, let us say, a jug, whatever it is. Yes.
तं च घटं नागदन्ते अवलम्ब्य तस्य अधस्तात् खट्वां निधाय सततमेकदृष्ट्या तम् अवलोकयति. अथ स कदाचित् रात्रौ सुप्तश्चिन्तयामास यत् परिपूर्णोऽयं घटः तावत् सक्तुभिर्वर्तते, तद्यदि दुर्भिक्षं भवति तदनेन रूपकाणां शतमुत्पत्स्यते संपत्स्यते ततः तेन मया अजाद्वयं गृहीतव्यम् ततः षण्मासिक
षाण्मासिक
sorry
ततः षाण्मासिक
षाण्मासिक प्रसववशात्ताभ्यां यूथं भविष्यति ततः आजाभिः प्रभूता गा ग्रहीष्यामि गोभिर्महिषीः महिषीर्बिर्वाण बिर्वडव
महिषीभिः महिषीभिः वडवाः
महिषीभिः वडवाः वडवा प्रसवतः प्रभूता अश्वा भविष्यन्ति तेषा विक्रयात् प्रभूतं सुवर्णं भविष्यति सुवर्णेन चतुश्शालं गृहं संपत्स्यति.
Now you must be remembering this is a very famous story told in different variation with different variations. You know how a fellow thinks of the future, doing nothing, keeping something in mind, is very beautifully sketched here. So this fellow used to fill the remaining saktu in a pot, kalasha. Kalasha was completely full. So one day what happened? Tam cha ghatam. Now here he has changed the word kalasham, ghatam. Nagadante avalambya. So this Krupanaha Brahmanaha, he hung this kalasha or gata on a peg. Nagadanta means on a peg. We hang clothes, etc. Like that, Nagadanti avalambya, hanging it on a peg. Tasya adasthat, tasya Nagadantasya adasthat, below that. So just imagine, on the wall he hang the pot. And just below the pot, he lay. Tasya adasthat, katvam nida, you put a, what do you call, cot, katvam. One cot you put there, just below that Nagadanta, Nidhaya, placing Satatam, always Eka Drushtyatam Avalogiti. He was always looking at that pot full of remaining Saktu, whatever he earned and whatever he got by way of Bhikshatana, and then after eating. So while looking constantly, that is the word, Satatam Eka Drushtya Tam Ghatam Kalasham Avalokayati, he was looking at that. Ata, then he had one idea. So now I can link up. Dhyayato Vishayan Pumsaha Sangasteshu Upajayati. Srinivas.
Yeah.
Now he is continuously looking at the doing dhyana of the Kalasha. Now Sangha, in the place of Sangha, he has some, from Sangha only Kama comes. So that desire is born out. So Atha Sa Brahmana Kadachit one day, Ratro, he used to look like this. One night, what happened, Ratro? Suptaha Chintayamasa, sleeping, he thought like this. Lying there is thought. Paripurnaha ayam ghataha. This pot is full of Saktu. Tavat Saktu bihi. It is full with Saktu, the barley. Vartate. Tad, so yadi durbhiksham bhavati. Look at his imagination, which is almost impossible for that time. Tad yadi durbhiksham bhavati. Supposing there is famine taking place tomorrow. Tad, so anena kalashena kalasha purnena saktuna. What will I do with this full pot full of barley? Rupakanam shatam utpasyate. I can make 100 rupees out of it, bucks out of it. Rupakanam, rupyakanam. Rupyakanam shatam utpasyate. This pot full of saktu, barley, will make 100 rupees. Then what will I do? Tataha, then tena shatarupyakena maya ajadvayam grahitavyam. Then I should buy 2 female goats. Ajadvayam. Then with 100 rupees, so that was the time when for 100 rupees 2 goats were available. We should go back in time and see when was a goat was available for only $50. So ajadvayam grahitavyam tataha, then so after buying the 2 goats for 100 rupees, tataha shanmasika prasava vashat, and these 2 ajas will give birth to more in 6 months only. Shanmasika prasava vashat, due to delivering in within 6 months, tabhyam, with these 2 ajabhyam youtham bhavishyati, there will be a group, so many other sheep will be there, goats will be there. Then what happened? Tataha, then ajabihi, with so many female this thing sheep, prabhutaha, then what will I do? Then with by selling, understood, by selling these sheep, prabhutaha visargalopa, gaha visargalopa grahishyami, then I will buy plenty of cows. Now understand here, visargalopa, gaha. So go shabda, gauhu gavau gavaha, prathama, gauhu gavau gavaha, gam gavau gaha, visarga gam. And prabhuta is visheshana to go shabda here. Prabhutaha followed by soft consonant, gaha, soft consonant. So both ways visarga is lupta. So prabhutaha adhikaha gaha dhenuhu grahishyami krinishyami. Then what will I do? I will buy plenty of cows with the sheep. Gobihi, by means of selling, by means of making money with the cows. Mahishi, then I will buy the, what will you buy? You will buy the Mahishi bull. Mahishi bihi badavaha. So buffaloes you will buy, sorry, Mahishi, and then Mahishi bihi vadavaha. Vadavaha or badavaha, there is a patantara is there. Vadava or badava. Vadava also refers to Vadavanala, the forest, sorry, submarine fire is also called that. But here Vadavaha means male horse, Vadava means female horse. So Mahishi Vihi, with this so-called buffaloes, I will buy some female horses. Vadavaha. Vadava prasavataha, when these female horses or mares, what they are called, when mares deliver, prasava, I'm sorry, Vadava prasavataha, due to their delivery, prabhutaha ashvaha bhavishyanti. From these female horses, there will come plenty of horses, male horses. Ashvaha bhavishyanti. Tesham vikrayat, and then by selling those plenty of horses, prabhutam suvarnam bhavishyati. Now, one thing is coming very clear, Srinivas, in this description. Horses were great in demand, were costly in those days. So that is why he has put at the end. Horses were very costly, horses have been like that. Horses, in India, we used to import horses from Afghanistan and many other, in those days, horses of a particular region were great in demand. So he says, Prabhuta Hashvaha Bhavishyanti, Tesham Vikrayat, Prabhutam Suvarnam Bhavishyati, then there will be a lot of gold. Suvarnena, then with that gold, what will I do? Chatushalam, Gruham Sampasyate, that a big house will be constructed, having 4 halls, not 1 hall. Generally, 3 BHK, 2 BHK we took. But this fellow will have 4 halls, Chatushala, 4 big halls, house, he will have a mansion like. Now, this is the fanciful thinking of this fellow while looking at the Nagadanta.
अतः कश्चित् ब्राह्मणः मम गृहम् आगत्य प्राप्तवयस्कां रूपाढ्यां कन्यां मह्यं दास्यति. तत् सकाशात् पुत्रः मे भविष्यति तस्याहं सोमशर्मेति नाम करिष्यामि.
See how far his imagination thinking went, Srinivas. One for, what do you call, a pot full of saktu will give him 100 rupees. With 100 rupees, he will buy 2 aja. With 2 ajas, there will be many ajas. Then he will buy, what will he buy? Then big group will be there, ajas. Then he will sell them and then get cows. With cows, he will buy buffaloes. From buffaloes, he will buy horse, mares, the female horses, and then with female horses you will produce many horses. You will sell the horses, then you will get plenty of gold. Then he will build a big mansion having 4 big halls, and then kaschit brahmana, some brahmana, mama gruhama agatya will come to my big palace house. Prapta vayaskam rupa adhyam kanyam mahyam dasyati. So some brahmana will come to my house and will offer his beautiful, youthful daughter to me, kanyam. Prapta vayaskam. Beautiful. Kanyam mahyam dasyati. He will offer to me. Tat sakashat putro me bhavishyati. And when I marry that brahmana kanya, I will have a son. Tasakasha tasyaha sakashat putraha me bhavishyati. Then what will I name my son? Tasyaham Soma Sharma iti nama karishyami. He will give a nice name to him because he has a bad name, Krupana. His name is Krupana. He is giving Soma Sharma to his son.
Yeah.
Then
ततः तस्मिन् चलनयोग्ये सञ्जातेऽहं पुस्तकं गृहीत्वा अश्वशालायाः पृष्ठदेशे उपविष्टः
Tad
अवधारयिष्यामि. अत्रान्तरे सोमशर्मा मां दृष्ट्वा जननी उत्सुङ्गात् जानुप्रचलन परः अश्वखुरासन्नवर्ती मत्समीपम् आगमिष्यति.
Now he is thinking, his alochana is not stopping anywhere. He has done a lot of business, built a house, Brahmana came and offered his daughter, then he has produced one child, he has named him Soma Sharma, and then what? Tataha then Kasmin, Tataha Tasmin Janu Chalana Yogye Sanjate Sati Saptami. When that Soma Sharma, my son, comes of, becomes able to crawl on his Janu knees. When, a child of 6 months or 8 months, when he comes to an age of 6 or 8 months, becomes able to move on his knees, Janu Chalana Yogya, right? When does a child do that? 6 months only, 6, 8 months. Janu Chalana Yogya Sanjate Sati, when he starts crawling, so to say, when my son, Vishnu Sharma, I'm saying. Soma Sharma starts, Vishnu Sharma is writing this thing. Soma Sharma starts crawling on his knees. Aham pustakam gruhita, I will take a book and Ashwashalayaha Prushthabhage, behind my Ashwashala. See, the story is highlighting Ashwas again. He is still with the Ashwas, so very costly item. Ashwashalayaha Prushtadeshe, in the back of the Ashwashala stable, what is called stable, horse stable, Upavishtaha, seated there. Avadharayishyami, I will be observing my child, taking a book in my hand. Atrantare, in the meantime, he imagines Soma Sharma, that is my son, Mam Društva, looking at me, Janani Utsangat, from the lap of his mother, Janu Prachalana Paraha, then he comes down to, he escapes from the, tries to escape from the Utsanga, from the person from the body of my wife, Janu Chalna Paraha Ashwakura Asannavarti. So you will try to come to me, who is seated near the Ashwakura. Kura means that hoofs in us, hoofs, that legs of this. Ashwakura Asannavarti. I will be sitting very close to the hoofs of these horses. Mat samipam agamishati. Then my child will try to come near to me, jumping from his mother's lap. That is what he said. Yeah.
ततः अहं ब्राह्मणीं कोपाविष्टः अभिधास्यामि गृहाण तावद् बालकं सापि गृहकर्म व्यग्रतया अस्माद् वचनं न श्रोष्यति ततोऽहं समुत्थाय तां पादप्रहारेण ताडयिष्यामि एवं तेन ध्यानस्थितेन तथैव पादप्रहारः दत्तः यथा स घटः भग्नः स्वयं च सक्तुभिः पाण्डुरतां गतः अतोऽहं ब्रवीमि अनागतवर्तीं चिन्ताम् इति.
So what is going to happen if one goes on imagining, maybe in a positive or negative way? Here is a positive thinking. Positive wishful thinking, this is called. Positive wishful thinking. I wish with this one part, I will do that, I will get that, I will get that, with that I will do that, with that I will do this. All this, he was so much involved in the thought. We have to appreciate the story writer. He is showing how a man being totally involved in that thought, he forgets the reality. No, that is what is happening. So he is come to the thinking that he has a child, he is crawling, he is carried by his mother, and then he wants to come from mother's lap to him, and he is sitting at the near the while he is sitting at the near to the horses, etc. Tataha, then what this Brahmana, Krupana Brahmana thought, Aham Krupanaha Brahmanaha, Brahmanim, my wife, he is imagining now. Brahmanim Kopa Avishtaha, getting angry when the boy is coming to me. Avidhasyami, Vadishyami, I will tell her. Gurhanatavad Balakam, come on, take care of the boy. What are you doing? Sapi, but she won't listen. Because Sapi, Brahmani, Gruha Karma Vyagrataya, because of being busy with the homework. Homework means not homework. Griha Karma Vyagrataya, because of being busy with the work of the home. Asmad Vachanam na Shrosyati. She won't listen to my word. Because being busy with so many activities. Na Shrosyati, na Shrunoti. This is future tense, Shrosyati. Then what will I do? Tataha aham samuthaya. Then I will get up. Tam pada praharena thadaishyami. Then I'll get up and kick her with my foot. Pada praharena thadaishyami. Evam. So he was so involved in this thinking that he literally gave a kick. He is there standing before the Saktu. No, actually, in reality. It is like I'm reminded of in our cinemas halls, when there is a scene going on, people get so involved with the movie that when the hero is fighting with the villain, they also, I have seen in my childhood, they begin to also show action, and they sometimes hit the fellow sitting in front. This is called Rasaswadana. In cinema, in Nataka, it is Rasaswadana. But here this fellow is so deeply involved in the thinking that he stands up and gives a kick. Evam tena dhyanastitena, that is why he rightly uses the word dhyanastitena, when he was totally engrossed in that thought. Tathaiva pada praharaha dattaha. He literally gave a kick like that. Pada prahara dattaha. In such a way, tatha eva pada prahara dattaha, such a kick he gave, yatha as sa ghataha, that ghata, which on the basis of which he built his castle now, sa ghataha bhagna. That Saktu ghata got broken now. One kick. Swayam cha Saktu bihi Panduratam gataha, and that entire Sakt fell on his head. Saktu bihi Panduratam Swetatam gataha. He became totally white, like we see sometimes in movies, and they look like ghosts. So he became totally whitened. Atoham bravimi. That is why I say Anagatavatim chintam. Why should you worry about chinta? What will happen to me? Chakradhara says, I don't know what is going to happen, etc. Yes, next question.
सुवर्ण सिद्धिराः एवमेतत् कस्ते दोषः यतः सर्वोऽपि लोभेन पीडम्बितः बाध्यते उक्तं च.
So Suvarna Siddhi says, yes, this is like this only. What is your mistake? You only inquired about the well-being of that fellow, another Chakradhara, and by mistake you got the chakra. Because Sarvopi, everybody in society, in life, Lobhena Vidambitaha Vanchitaha, everybody is cheated by Lobha. Bhadyati, and also he is troubled, afflicted by Lobha. Because it is said, yes,
यो लौल्यात् कुरुते कर्म न चोदर्कमवेक्षते विडम्बनामवाप्नोति स यथा चन्द्रभूपतिः. चक्रधराः कथमेतत् स आह.
Then he says, Suvarna Siddhi, Yo laulyat kurute karma. Whoever does an action out of laulya. Laulya means greed only. Lobhat. Laulyat lobhat kurute karma. Nacha udarkam avaikshati. Udarkaha means future. Srinivas, future result. Nacha udarkam avekshati, but not anticipate, look for the future result. A man who acts out of lobha, laulya, or temptation, laulya temptation or greed, does not think of the future. Vidambanam avapnoti, such a person will get disgraced. He will be insulted. Vidambana means here, apamanam avapnoti saha. Yatha, just like in the coming up story, ninth story, Chandra Bhupati, a character by name Chandra Bhupati was insulted. Chakradhara said, how is this? Then Suvarna Siddhi narrates the ninth story, Navami Katha.
वानर विडम्बित चन्द्रभूपति कथा. कस्मिंश्चित् नगरे चन्द्रः नाम भूपतिः प्रतिवसति स्म. तस्य पुत्र वानरक्रीडारता वानरयूथं नित्यम् एव अनेकभोजनभक्ष्यादिभिः पुष्टिं नयन्ति स्म. अथ वानरयूताधिपः यः स औशनस बार्हस्पत्य चाणक्य मतिवत् तदनुष्ठाता च तत्सर्वान् अपि अध्यापयति स्म.
Now entering into the Navami Katha, ninth story out of 14, Vanara Vidambita Chandra Bhupati Katha. The story of a king by name Chandra who was cheated by the monkey. Kasminchin Nagare, as usual, in some city, Chandro Nama Bhupati. There was a king by name Chandraha who lived Prativasati. Tasya Putraha, his sons, Vanara Kridarataha. They were fond of, like children are fond of, nowadays children are fond of dogs. Some rich people go in for that. So Vanara Kridarataha. But this particular king, Chandra king's sons were more interested in maintaining, so they loved the monkeys. Vanara Yutham, they were maintaining a group of Yutha Samoha. Nityam Eva, daily, Aneka Bhojana Bhakshyadivi. They used to offer several variety of food. Aneka Bhojana Bhakshyadivi. Pushtim Nayantisma. They maintained or they nourished them by offering beautiful food. King's sons, Hatha. Then what happened? Vanara Yuta Adhipaha. So there was a leader of this entire group of monkeys, Adhipaha. Yaha, Saha. That monkey, the elderly monkey, the leader of the monkey, Aushanasa, that is Shukracharya, Ushanasa, Ushanasa, Shukrena, etc. Barhaspatya Bruhaspati, he was well versed, Bruhaspati, Bruhaspatya Chanakya Mativat, Chanakyam Matavat, Matavit, sorry, yeah. He was a knower, he was a learned person of all these Shukracharya, Bruhaspati, and then what do you call Shukracharya and Bruhaspati, Devaguru, and Danava Guru, and also Chanakya Niti. Chanakya Matavit, he knew all this. He was well versed with his systems of Niti. And then what did he do? Tad Anusthata. And also he was a follower of that, practitioner of that universe. Then what happened? Tat Sarvanapi Adhyapayati Sma. So he was teaching all these his followers, monkeys.
अथ तस्मिन् राजगृहे लघुकुमार वाहनयोग्यं मेषयूथम् अस्ति। तन्मध्य एको जिह्वालौल्यात् अहर्निशं निःशङ्कं महानसे प्रविश्य यत् पश्यन्ति तत्सर्वं भक्षयति। ते च सूपकारा यत्किञ्चित् काष्ठं मृण्मयं भाजनं कांस्यपात्रं ताम्रपात्रं वा पश्यन्ति तेन अशुताडयन्ति। सोऽपि वानरयूथपः तद् दृष्ट्वा व्यचिन्तयत् अहो मेषसूपकारकलहोऽयं वानराणां क्षयाय भविष्यति।
So this Vanara Yutha, Adhipaha, the leader, king, whatever you say, of these monkeys, was highly learned. Now we should not ask how can Vanara be an expert in Niti Shastras, etc. story. So Vanara like monkey like men, and they had a leader, and he was highly learned, and therefore Sarvan Adhyapayatisma, he was teaching all. You can say even princes also were taught, monkeys and princes. Then what happened? Tasmin Rajagruhe, in that king's home, Laghu Kumara Vahana Yogyam, Laghu Kumara Vahana Yogyam Mesha Yutam Asti. There was a Yutha, Samuha, Mesha Yutam, group of sheep were there. There was a group of sheep which was Laghu Kumara Vahana Yogam, which were capable of riding over. These little Kumaras are there, na? Rajakumaras. They were Laghu Rajakumara Vahana Yogyam, for riding them. Children ride, sit on sheep also, na? Whatever animal they have, like. So he had a group of sheep which were capable of being ridden by these Laghu Kumaras, these princes. Tan Madhyad Ekaha, from among that group of sheep, one Ekaha Jihvalaulyat, because of temptation, tongue temptation. Aharnisham, every day and night. Nishankam, always without any doubt. Mahanase Pravishya, that sheep used to go to the kitchen. Mahanasa means kitchen, Srinivas. So one of the sheep, out of the tongue temptation, Jihvalaulyat, Aharnisham Pratidinam, Nishankam Nisankocham, Mahanase, Tatra, Mahanasam Nama, what is the other word? I am not getting. Kitchen. Pakashala, sorry. Mahanase, Pakashalayam Pravishya, Yat Pashyati, whatever it sees, Tasarvam Bhakshayati. This used to eat whatever it used to find. te cha supakaraha, and supakaraha means pachakaha, sudaha, the cooks. Supam karoti iti supakaraha. So supakara, the cooks, the cooks, yatkinchit kastam, whatever stick they could have in hand, they could get into their hand. Yatkinchit kastam, murunmayam, or any, any earthen thing. Bhajanam, murunmayam bhajanam means any earthen pot. So whatever they could have hand on, either a stick or a pot, kamsya patram, or any, kamsya, this copper vessel, copper and tamra vessels. So whatever utensils like brass and this kamsya, tamra, copper vessel, pashyanti, whatever, in the kitchen are available, stick or any muddy clay pot or copper or this brass, bronze, etc. Pashyanti, whatever they see, tena ashu tadayanti. Immediately, ashu means shigram tadayanti. They used to beat that mesha. Sopi vanarayuta yutapaha tad društva. Then this was going on. Every day, one of these mesha used to get into the kitchen, eat to its fill, and the what do you call, the suda, the supakara, the cooks would hit the ship. And Vanara Yutapaha, the leader of this Vanara, who is very clever, has seen that. Društva Vachintayati, immediately thought like that, oh, Mesha Supakara Kalaha Ayam. Ayam Kalaha. This is the quarrel between Mesha, the sheep, and Supakara, the cook. Vanaranam Kshayaya Bhavishyati Nashaya Bhavishyati. This fight between the sheep and this Supakara, the cook, will lead to the destruction of the monkeys. In what way, we also don't know. We'll know that.
यतः अन्नरसास्वादलम्पटोऽयं वेषः महाकोपाश्च सूपकारा यथा आसन्नवस्तुना प्रहरन्ति तद्यदि वस्तुनो भावात् कदाचित् उल्मुखेन ताडयिष्यन्ति तदोर्ना प्रचुरोऽयं वेषः स्वल्पेनापि वह्निना प्रज्वलिष्यति तद् दह्यमानः अश्वकुट्यां समीपवर्तिन्यां प्रवेक्ष्यति सापि तृणप्राचुर्यात् ज्वलयिष्यति ततः अश्वा वह्निदाहमवाप्स्यन्ति.
Now, in the previous story, Srinivas, the Krupana Brahmana story, was also Anagatam, was thinking about the future, Asambhavyam, an impossible futuristic vision he had. And he was so involved that he literally, he imagined that he was kicking his wife, he kicked the pot, and his entire dream was smashed. Now here is a realistic, futuristic thinking of this monkey in this story. Whatever the monkey is thinking about the future, that is going to come true. Yataha, then the Vanara Mukhyaha, Vanara Mukhyaha Adipaha, Adipaha says, because this quarrel will lead to the destruction of the monkey, said earlier sentence, last sentence. Because Anna Rasaswada Lampataha Ayam Meshaha, this Mesha, this sheep, is greedy, Lampataha is very greedy of Anna Rasaswadana, eating the food. Now the sheep got so used, every day it used to get into the kitchen and eat whatever it could. And every day they used to throw something at the sheep, a stone or brass, this things. Then the Vanar thinks Mahakopascha Supakaraha, and the Supakaraha, the cooks are very angry people. When they are preparing, this is going and disturbing. Mahakopascha Supakaraha Yatha Asanna Vastuna, Yathasanna Vastuna, whatever Vastu, whatever thing is available to them, reachable to them. Yatha Asanna Vastuna, whatever thing is available to them, Praharanti, they are attacking. They are not seeing what thing they are catching. Whatever they get, they take a spoon, hit it, stone, they hit, they are hitting with the patras, Kamsya Patra, etc. Tad yadi, if they go on doing this, if that is so, yadi, supposing vastunaha abhavat, if there are, now today they are hitting with what do you call Kamsya Patra or Tamra Patra or Munmaya Bhajana, this clay patra. Or some stick custom. But supposing tomorrow vastunaha abhavat, if these things are not there in the reach, then what will they do? The monkey thinks ulmakena tadaishyanti, they will be beating the mesha, the sheep, with ulmaka firebrand, the stick, burning stick, ulmaka means, understand? This is a kitchen, you can really imagine. There will be, in olden days, there was no gas connection, in those days, electricity. So they used to have sticks burning, batti, and then under the ulmaka will be there. So, then if they don't get all these things, then they will pick up one firebrand and throw at the sheep. Then what happens? Tada urna prachuraha ayam. Tada, then what will urna prachuraha ayam meshaha. This sheep, which is full of wool, sheep has wool on the body. Urna is that. Urna prachuraha ayam meshaha. This sheep with full of wool. Swalpena api vaknina, with little vakni, fire. When the firebrand is hit, little fire spark also. Swalpena api vaknina prajvalishyati. The wool will get burnt. Tad dahyamana. Then the sheep its wool on the body. Punaha ashvakutyam samipavartinyam. And by the side of this kitchen only, there was a ashwa kuti, horse stable. Samipat Vartinyam, it was very near. Pravekshati, then the burning sheep will enter into the horses stable where the horses are there. And Sapi Truna Prachuryat Jvalishyati, and then that stable of the horses, Sa Ashwakuti, Truna Prachurya, what will be there in the stable of the horses? There will be a lot of grass for eating. Right? So imagine a burning sheep entering into the stable full of grass. What will happen? Grass will catch fire. Truna prachuryat jvalishyati, that will burn. Tataha, then what happens? Ashwaha vakni vaham avapsyanti, they will be also burnt. Oh my God. Then in what way these monkeys are at stake? That is coming. Yes, Srinivas?
Yes. शालिहोत्रेण पुनरेतदुक्तं यत् वानर वसयाश्वानं वह्निदाहदोषः प्रशाम्यति तत् नूनम् एतेन भाव्यम् एषः अत्र निश्चयः एवं निश्चित्य सर्वान् वानरान् आहूय रहसि प्रोवाच यत्.
Now, what is the worry of this monkey leader is when finally the horse stable gets burnt and horses will be affected. Now the point comes. Shalihotrena. Shalihotra is supposed to be the writer on Ashwas, Ashwashastragna, right, Srinivas? Shalihotrena punareta duktam, because he has himself mentioned uktam yet that Vanara Vasaya Ashwanam Vaknidaha Doshaha Prashamyati. the burning sensation or the burning of the horses can be calmed down by the fat of the monkeys. Srinivas. This animal, what do you call, doctor, what is called animal doctor? There is some word, na? Veterinary doctor. Yeah. This veterinary doctor called Shalihotra said that the injuries or the burns of horses can be cured by applying the Vanara Vasasa. Vasas means fat. Vanara Vasa Vasaya Ashwaram Vaknidaha Doshaha Bhavishyati Prashamyati. Then it will be cooled down. Now you see the point of thinking of the Vanara Yutapa. Tat then nonam surely etena bhavyam. This is going to happen. One day this Mesha will invite trouble. They will hit it. The cooks will hit it with a firebrand. It will burn. Then when it will burn, it will enter into the stable. When it will enter into the stable, the entire stable will get burned, get into flames, and the horses will be affected. And then what will happen? When the horses are burnt, then all my monkeys will be killed to take out the fat, to cure the horses. So we should not stay here. Tat nunam bhavyam. This is going to happen. Yesho atra nischaya. This is positive. Evam nischitya, deciding like this. Sarvan vanaran ahuya. Then immediately the leader called all the monkeys, had an emergency meeting like Rahasi Provacha, and spoke in secrecy like this.
मेषेण सूपकाराणां कलहो यत्र जायते स भविष्यत्य संधिदं वानराणां क्षयावहः.
So the leader said here, Meshena Supakaranam Sudanam Pachakanam Kalaha Yatra Jayate. Wherever there is a quarrel between the sheep and the cooks, Supakaranam Kalaha Yatra Jayate, Sa Bhavishyati, that will become Asandigdham, undoubtedly that quarrel, Sa Kalaha Bhavishyati. Kim Bhavishyati? Vanaranam Kshayavaha Nashakaraha. Vanaranam Nashakaraha. That quarrel will be the death knell to the monkeys only. Wherever there is a quarrel between sheep and the cooks. What a imagination here. This is what the leader said. Yes, Srinivas.
Yeah.
Tasmat.
तस्मात् स्यात् कलहो यत्र गृहे नित्यमकारणः तद्गृहं जीवितं वाञ्छन् दूरतः परिवर्जयेत्.
Then the Vanara Yutapa says, Tasmat, therefore, Syat kalaha yatra gruhe kalaha syat nityam akarana. Nityam yasmin gruhe akaranah kalaha syat. In whichever home there is a fight without any reason. Akaranah kalaha nityam yatra yasmin gruhe syat bhavishyati. Tad gruham, that house, jivitam vanchan durataha parivarjit. So a man wanting to live comfortably, tad gruham, that house, durataha parivarjayet, should avoid from a distance. A house, a home where there is always a quarrel going on without any reason, akarana, kalaha. Tad gruham durataha parivarjayet, one should avoid that. One who wants jivitam vanchan, one who is wanting to have his life. So we should not stay here. We should all leave this Rajakulam. That is what the Yuthadipa says. I think we can stop here.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar.
Namaskar.